Good night. Describing a moment in the past. Dear mom and dad, here we are in Montenegro, Quindío, at the National Coffee Park. This place is amazing. Yesterday we were on the sol all day. The sun was very strong and it was very hot. The lines were long, but the reeds and the souls were fun. The park was rocked, but the people were friendly and polite. Our favorite place was the Fowler's Garden. The fireworks at night were beautiful. It was great for us, but Daniela was really hot and tired and the end of day. We miss out a lot. Love you, Daniela and Salome. Thank you.